birthday, so I'm doing a birthday special. So, I've literally packed in, because I got a pack and I got this here by my mum and dad. So this is the crazy players who I packed in the pack. And then, so let's get straight into the tin. I'll keep Trent Alexander-Arnold and Cristiano Ronaldo right there, and we'll get this open. So as you always get two specials. So you've got Raheem Sterling and Jorginho. I've already got these two in it, so I could go on a trade. I'll just read these stats. 94 in control, 868 attack, 240 altogether. Raheem Sterling, lots of people won't believe this, 68 defence, 98 control and 90 attack. They are both limited edition. Apparently it says Raheem Sterling a midfielder. Don't know why it does that. As you know, Raheem Sterling is actually a left wing. It's like if I pack Ronaldo again, that means I've already packed him 3 times. Because it always shows like the really bad players first. So yes, it's not Ronaldo. That'll be funny if it was. Got defender. Yes, now we've got Andrew Robertson. Yo, it actually is Andrew Robertson. Wait, what is fans' favourite? You've only got an 83. You need to work on it, bro. Put him down here. So you got Ollison, I believe, Robin Ollison. And you've got Kuka. I don't know how to pronounce that first name. That's why I'm not doing it. Thomas Kalas. Shane Long. Oh yeah. So then, not very good pack, that first pack. Good. Except from the Andrew Robertson. So we should probably end this pack here. So we're going to go into the next one. There's still like a few players at the bottom coming out of them back. I've got a goal coming back. If it's like that, I don't know if it's going to give me any birthday look, because I've had, it might, because I've already got Ronaldo on me. Oh my God, I've just looked at a card, you haven't seen it yet, and I swear what I just said, it literally came true. So, we've got Rafael Varane, 100 club, 100 defence, 100 control, 100 attack, and 300 altogether. Whoa, bro. That is just done, that pack. I don't care if these players are bad. Yeah, you've got Soma. Isco. This is a crazy pack, guys. I'm going to put Isco. Then you've got... I dropped a player. I thought we had another player. So, and then we'll just put the other people here. So I've Hecate. He's okay. I might put him here. Yeah, I'm going to put him here. This is like a sick pile. Like after this, we only have two more packs to forward. So guys, comment down below if this player. I just not looked now. Guys, is this player good or bad? Like, I literally have no idea. Is this player good or bad? So should I look for the bad? Okay. I don't know how to put him because like he is a special, but he is quite bad. So he is special. Come on, I'll let you go. So guys, I'll just turn this way. So we've got Chanel. He's done it. I think he should go as well. Okay. Because like he did win the did Netherlands win against Portugal? I think they did, yeah. I get, but then Portugal did try very hard. So that's bad, aren't they? We've literally got like some okay team. No, we haven't. Well, I just took back what I said. We've only got one more pack now, guys. I think you have to get a special in a pack. I think it's what they do, so you always get like a rising star. So guys, I'm just putting my eyes. Is this player good or bad? I reckon it's probably bad. A bad rising star. Because I know you get a rising star, yeah. Is it okay then? This is really bad. It's got 246 fans on a fan forever. Really is special. So guys, I'm just going to turn this one like I did. Bad. Ooh! N'Golo Kante. No. I've just packed Cristiano Ronaldo again. Witchy packed Cristiano Ronaldo 3 times. All I want is Lionel Messi now. Oh. If I got Messi in this pack up, I don't know what I'd do. Let's put Cristiano Ronaldo here again. Just give me Messi. That's all I want. Just Lionel Messi. We'll get him more now. Get him more. Have to. Wow, guys, what's it? It's a defensive rock. It's a weird card, isn't it? Like, if you twist it, it gets fireworks. Yeah, fireworks already. Really weird. I really do like midfielder, goalkeeper, defender. I bet they've probably just got it wrong again, but I bet they haven't. Oh, yo, we've got De Bruyne. I've actually got a De Bruyne book as well. So I guess it don't have to be always bad. I just want this to be a good goalkeeper. I don't think I've ever got a good goalkeeper out the first time. Oh, Paterito, okay. So guys, we're going to wrap the video up here because as you see, we've not got any more packs. We've only got the 2 players that I showed you. Sterling behind. So guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you in another video. Bye.